Rivers of India play an important role in the lives of the Indian people. The river systems provide irrigation, potable water, cheap transportation, electricity, and the livelihoods for a large number of people all over the country and to rural areas. This easily explains why nearly all the major cities of India are located by the banks of rivers. The rivers also have an important role in Hindu Dharma and are considered holy by all Hindus in the country. 7 major rivers along with their numerous tributaries make up the river system of India. The largest basin system of the rivers pour their waters into the Bay of Bengal. However, some of the rivers whose courses take them through the western part of the country and towards the east of the state of Himachal Pradesh empty into the Arabian Sea. Parts of Ladakh, northern parts of the Aravalli range and the arid parts of the Thar Desert have inland drainage. All major rivers of India originate from one of the 3 main watersheds, the Himalaya and the Karakoram ranges, Vindhyas and Satpura ranges and Chota Nagpur Plateau in central India, Sayodri or Western Ghats in western India. The Indo-Gangetic Plains, popularly known as Ganga Satluj Ka Maidan, this area is drained by 16 major rivers. The major Himalayan rivers are the Indus, Ganges, and Brahmaputra. These rivers are long, and are joined by many large and important tributaries. Himalayan rivers have long courses from their source to sea. In India, Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal, Ganges River System, the major rivers in this system are, Ganga, starting from Gangotri Glacier, Uttarakhand, Chambal, not Himalayan River, covers MP and UP before merging into Yamuna, Bit, not Himalayan River, covers Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh before merging into Yamuna. Yamuna runs its most of the course parallel to Ganga before contributing its water to Ganga at Allahabad. Gomti, starts near the junction of 3 borders viz. Nepal, Uttarakhand and UP. Gara, starts in Nepal near Uttarakhand. Sun, not Himalayan River, covers MP, UP, Jharkhand and Bihar. Largest of Ganga's southern tributaries, Gandak, starts from Nepal. Kosi, starts from Bihar, near Indo-Nepal border. Brahmaputra, merges with Ganga to form the Grand River, Padma in Bangladesh. By now, flow velocity of both rivers slow down to considerable extent as they are in plains now. Before entering Bangladesh, Ganga leaves a distributary Hooghly, which provides water for irrigation in West Bengal. Indus River System, the Indus River originates in the northern slopes of the Kailash Range near Lake Mansarovar in Tibet. Although most of the river's course runs through neighboring Pakistan, as per its regulation of Indus Water Treaty of 1960, India can only use 20% of the water in this river. A portion of it does run through Indian territory, as do parts of the courses of its 5 major tributaries, listed below. These tributaries are the source of the name of the Punjab of South Asia. The name is derived from the Punch and Ab, hence the combination of the words means land with the water of 5 rivers. The Indus is 3,200 km long. The major rivers in Indus River System are, Indus, 3,200 km, Chenab, 960 km, Jhelum, 813 km, Ravi, 720 km, Sutlej, 529 km, Beas, 460 km, Shyok, Zaunskar. Annual flows and other data. India experiences an average precipitation of 1,170 mm per year, or about 4,000 km 3 of rains annually. Some 80% of its area experiences rains of 750 mm or more a year. However, this rain is not uniform in time or geography. Most of the rains occurred during its monsoon seasons, with the northeast and north receiving far more rains than India's west and south. Other than rains, the melting of snow year-round over the Himalayas feeds the northern rivers to varying degrees. The southern rivers, however, experience more flow variability over the year. For the Himalayan basin, this leads to flooding in some months and water scarcity in others. Despite extensive river system, safe clean drinking water as well as irrigation water supplies for sustainable agriculture are in shortage across India, in part because it has, as yet, harnessed a small fraction of its available and recoverable surface water resource. India harnessed 761 kilometers 3 of its water resources in 2010, part of which came from unsustainable use of groundwater. Of the water it withdrew from its rivers and groundwater wells, India dedicated about 688 kilometers 3 to irrigation, 56 kilometers 3 to municipal and drinking water applications and 17 kilometers 3 to industry. According to 2011 report of the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, India's basin-wise distribution of catchment area and utilizable surface water resources is presented in the following table. The Peninsular River System, the main water divide in peninsular rivers is formed by the Western Ghats, which run from north to south close to the western coast. Most of the major rivers of the peninsula such as the Mahanadi, the Godavari, the Krishna and the Kaveri flow eastwards and drain into the Bay of Bengal. These rivers make delta at their mouth. The Narmada and Tapti are the only long rivers, which flow west and make estuaries. See also, Indian rivers interlink, Amazon River Basin, Rhine River Basin, Danube River Basin, Nile River Basin, Yangtze River Basin. References